When we click and hold the pen tool, we can see that it actually has several variants. We have Add Anchor Point tool, Delete Anchor Point tool, and the last one, Anchor Point tool, or also known as Convert Anchor Point tool. Okay, quick explanation about all of these tools. First, the Add Anchor Point tool. As the name implies, it is used to add anchor points. Move the mouse cursor over a curve and click in there. And voila, we have a new anchor point in there, okay? The Delete Anchor Point works in contrast with the Add Anchor Point tool. Notice, when we hover over an anchor point and click in there, the anchor point will be gone. Click in here again, for example, and that anchor point will be gone also. The last one is the Anchor Point tool, also known as Convert Anchor Point tool. This tool is used to convert anchor points from corner, bezier, and bezier corner. To use it, if you click release on an anchor point, that anchor point become corner. Basically, it will lose its handles, okay? Now, if I click and drag like this, handles are coming out from it, making the anchor points bezier type. Notice if we go to Direct Selection tool by pressing A for shortcut and move these handles around, they always symmetrical in terms of its orientation. To make the handles non-symmetrical, we can use the Convert Anchor Point tool again and drag the handle. Make sure you are dragging the handle, not the anchor point. Okay, notice when we drag the handle with the Anchor Point tool, we have bezier corner type point like this, which basically an anchor point who has non-symmetrical handles. If we want to have anchor point that has handle only on one side, simply move the handle with Direct Selection tool or the Convert Anchor Point tool and just drag the handle back to its anchor point position. It will snap back and turn off this handle. So now we have a point with only one handle. To get both handles back again, you can click drag again with Convert Anchor Point tool just like the previous step. Another good use of the Anchor Point tool is to reshape curves. We already know how the Anchor Point tool works on anchor points, but beside that, we can also use it on curves. Notice, when we hover over this curve, we have this special cursor active. If we drag this, we can reshape the curve directly without having to touch these two handles. When doing this curve manipulation with the Anchor Point tool, pressing Shift will make the handle parallel to each other and perpendicular to the anchor's position. Until now, you might be wondering, do I have to go back and forth to these tools when modifying shapes? Well, the answer is no. It will be time consuming to go back and forth to these tools to edit a shape. The main pen tool actually has all of these features, which are adding, removing, and converting points available through keyboard modifier key. Okay, so use the pen tool now and draw these random shapes. Press Enter or Escape key. Okay, now to activate the Add Anchor Point functionality, rather than we go all the way to this tool icon in here, then go back, while in the pen tool, we can actually hover on any of the curve on a selected path, and notice we have this plus sign on the pen cursor. And if we click it, it will add an anchor point on that position. Okay, so that is how we can add anchor points without having to go to the toolbar and clicking the Add Anchor Point tool. Next, removing anchor point. To do that, we can simply hover the pen tool on existing anchor point. Notice we have this minus sign on the cursor. When we click that anchor point, we have just removed it. Next, we can also convert points with the pen tool. To change the pen tool to convert anchor point tool temporarily, we can press the Alt key. Notice the pen tool is active, but the cursor changed to convert anchor point tool. And as we suspected while in this mode, when we click release on an anchor point, that point will become corner point. Clicking and dragging on an anchor point will make it a bezier type, and click and dragging the handle will make it a bezier corner type. As you can see, simply using the pen tool, we can access all of these tools in here, which are adding, removing, and converting anchor point tool.